All right, so this lady here, dey fight her teacher. Wetin her teacher do? Because her teacher tell her to stop doing TikTok video for class. The girl refuse to stop doing the TikTok video for class. To the extent even the girl start fighting her teacher. So I come dey ask, what is happening? What is happening in Nigeria today? I don't understand. Social media don make some people mad. This one is called social media madness. Imagine a student dey for class, where class is going on, where lecture is going on, she's busy doing TikTok video, leaving her study. She don't even mind their study. Na that TikTok video dey important to her. Even to the level say the girl get mind dey fight her teacher for class because her teacher stop her from doing that TikTok video. So I no blame the girl. The person wey I blame na her parents wey allow her to dey use phone, to dey go school with phone. This is why it's not too good to allow your child to dey use phone, especially dey enter social media. Social media don corrupt a lot of Nigerian children. Social media don destroy a lot of life in Nigeria. So if you are a parent and your children is using big phone and they are doing social media, monitor them very closely. If you no monitor them, that social media will cause a very big pain for them or for you as a parent. So this lady, you are seeing her picture, you can see the what is going on there. She just dey bold enough dey fight her teacher because her teacher stop her from doing TikTok video in class. And the worst part of it, some parents will even support their children when this kind of accident occur. You will see some parents who will come out boldly to support their children, saying that why teacher go flog them because they are doing video. Why teacher go? To the extent some parents dey even call police for the teacher for flogging their children or from stopping them from doing some kind of things. You will see a parents will call police for the teacher. That is why some schools now no dey flog children again. They no dey discipline them again because of wetin their parents go act. If you are a parent, be careful. Make you no use your hand dey destroy your family. Social media don destroy so many life in Nigeria. Abeg, if you come across this video, share this update. Subscribe to my channel. Expect more videos. Expect more updates. One love.